Second chapter, de moivre's theorem. Weightage of this chapter 9 marks. 1 7 mark question, 1 2 mark question, total 9 marks. Let's go over some formulas. De moivre's theorem. For any real number, for any real number theta and any integer n, cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power n equals to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Real number enti theta, integer n. Integer means positive numbers, negative numbers and 0 also. So power లో ఉంది ముందుకు వచ్చేస్తుంది cos n theta plus I sin n theta, ఇక్కడ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఫార్ములా cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power minus n equals to పవర్ ముందుకు వస్తే మల్టిప్లికేషన్ అవుతుంది cos of minus n theta plus I sin minus n theta. Here cos of minus theta means again cos theta. cos లో మైనస్ ఉంటే ప్లస్ అవుతుంది. cos minus theta is equals to cos theta. That equals to cos n theta minus I sin n theta. Sinus minus n theta ఉంటే మైనస్ sin theta వస్తుంది again. So cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power minus n equals to cos n theta minus I sin n theta. Next formula cos theta plus I sin theta into cos theta minus I sin theta equals to, multiply these two terms. So cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, cos square theta minus I square. So this is in the form a plus b, a minus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. So cos square theta minus I square sin square theta, that equals to cos square theta. Here I square is minus 1, so minus minus plus sin square theta. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. Cos theta plus I sin theta into cos theta minus I sin theta equals to 1. Next formula here. Therefore cos theta plus I sin theta is equals to, రెసిప్రోకల్ రాస్తే ఎలా రాస్తాం, 1 బై ప్లస్ ఉంటే మైనస్ అయిపోతుంది రెసిప్రోకల్లో, cos theta minus I sin theta. Another formula cos theta minus I sin theta ఉంటే that equals to reciprocal of this cos theta plus I sin theta. ప్లస్ ఉంటే మైనస్ అయిపోతుంది, మైనస్ ఉంటే ప్లస్ అవుతుంది. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ cos theta minus I sin theta whole to the power n equals to cos theta minus I sin theta is equals to, రెసిప్రోకల్లో రాస్తే ఏమో ఏంటి, 1 by cos theta plus I sin theta. So cos theta minus I sin theta we can write 1 by cos theta plus I sin theta, that is 1 by cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power n, that equals to 1 by I am applying n cos n theta plus I sin n theta. We can do rationalizing factor here, that equals to 1 by cos n theta plus I sin n theta into, we can do rationalizing factor for this, that is cos n theta minus I into sin n theta by cos n theta minus I sin n theta. రేషనలైజింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంటే మైనస్ వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ వస్తుంది. దట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1 ఇంటూ cos n theta minus I sin n theta by, this is in the form a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square, that is cos square n theta minus I square sin square n theta, that equals to cos n theta minus I sin n theta by cos square n theta I square minus 1. So minus minus plus sin square n theta. We know the formula, we know the trigonometry identity, that is cos square theta plus I sin square theta is equals to what? 1. So cos square n theta plus sin square n theta is 1. Remaining term cos n theta minus I sin n theta. Cos theta minus I sin theta whole to the power n equals to cos n theta minus I sin n theta. Next formula, cis theta into cis pi equals to cis of theta plus pi for any theta comma pi belongs to R. R means real numbers. So we can remember these formulas. Let's start the exercise. Exercise 2a, first bit, first problem. If n is an integer, then show that 1 plus I whole to the power 2n plus 1 minus I whole to the power 2n is equals to 2 power n plus 1 into cos n pi by 2. So we have to prove LHS is equals to RHS. Solution. First we can solve this problem by using de Moivre's theorem. So first of all we can change 1 plus I, 1 minus I into modulus amplitude form. So we learn in complex analysis. So that is, first we can change 1 plus I. So modulus amplitude formula is R into cos theta plus I sin theta. So 1 plus I is in the form x plus iy. X is equals to 1, y is equals to 1. So R is equals to what? X square plus y square, that equals to 1 square plus 1 square, that equals to 1 plus 1, 2, root 2. R is equals to root 2. R equals to root 2. Now we can find theta value. Theta is equals to what? Formula is tan inverse y by x, that equals to tan inverse y is 1 by x is 1, that equals to tan inverse 1. So tan లో 1 ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది? 45 degrees. tan 45 degrees is equals to 1. So theta is equals to 45 degrees ని ఏ విధంగా రాసుకోవచ్చు మనము pi by 4. Theta is equals to pi by 4. R వాల్యూ వచ్చేసింది, theta వాల్యూ వచ్చేసింది. సో 1 plus I equals to √2 into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. So next we can find 1 minus I. 1 minus I. One minus I equals to, so R into cos theta plus I sin theta. Same formula we can use. So x is equals to 1, y is equals to minus 1, r is equals to, so x square plus y square formula. So that is 1 square plus minus 1 square, that equals to 1 plus 1, again √2. So now we can find theta value. Theta is equals to tan inverse y by x is equals to tan inverse y is minus 1, x is 1, that equals to tan inverse minus 1. So theta equals to minus tan inverse 1. So tan లో 1 ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది 45 degrees. So theta is equals to minus pi by 4. So 45 degrees ni we can write pi by 4. So 1 minus I equals to √2 into cos of minus pi by 4 plus I into sin of minus pi by 4. So LHS, we have to prove LHS is equals to RHS. So first take LHS. LHS is equals to 1 plus I whole to the power of 2n plus 1 minus I whole to the power 2n is equals to, sorry, is, so 1 plus I is √2 into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. 1 plus I is √2 cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 whole to the power 2n. So 1 minus I is √2 into √2 of cos of minus pi by 4 plus I sin minus pi by 4 plus √2 of cos minus pi by 4 plus I sin minus pi by 4 whole to the power 2n. Equals to, how can we write √2? √2 ని ఏ విధంగా రాసుకోవచ్చు 2 power 1 by 2. So √2 is 2 power 1 by 2. I am applying power here, that is 2 power n cos. So here we can apply de Moivre's theorem. So that is 2 pi, sorry, here we can write one more step, cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 whole to the power 2n plus, same, you can write 2 power 1 by 2 and apply power 2 power n. So cos minus theta, again cos theta, cos minus theta, cos theta, so that is cos pi by 4. So sin minus theta, two power 1 by 2 whole to the power 2n of cos minus theta, again cos theta, so cos pi by 4, sin minus theta, sin theta, so minus I into sin pi by 4. So whole to the power 2 power n. Now we can, so here 2 get cancel, 2 get cancel. So here we can apply de Moivre's theorem. Apply de Moivre's theorem. So from this I am taking 2 power n is common. 2 power n of apply de Moivre's theorem. సో పవర్లో ఉంది, ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేస్తుంది. cos 2n pi by 4 ప్లస్ I sin 2n pi by 4 ప్లస్ cos 2n pi by 4 minus I into sin 2n pi by 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are 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 here. So plus, so I am writing, so I plus I into sin n pi by 2 minus I into sin n pi by 2 get cancel, plus sign minus sign get cancel, plus sign minus sign get cancel. So write down remaining terms. 2 power n of cos n pi by 2 plus cos n pi by 2, that equals to 2 power n into, so cos n pi by 2 plus cos n pi by 2, 2 into cos n pi by 2. Here bases are equal, then powers are adding, equals to 2 power n plus 1 cos n pi by 2. So LHS is equals to RHS, that equals to RHS. So first one is completed. See the next problem. Second bit. Find the value of the following. So first one, 1 plus I into root 3 whole to the power 3 whole cube. We can solve this problem by using a plus b whole cube formula, but in this we can use only the modulus amplitude form, and we can solve this problem by using de Moivre's theorem. Solution: 1 plus I equals to 1 plus I into root 3 equals to R into modulus amplitude formula. This is R of cos theta plus I sin theta. So now we can find R and theta value. So this is in the form x plus iy. Here x is equals to 1, y is equals to root 3. Then R is equals to x square plus modulus formula, that equals to 1 square plus root 3 whole square. Root square get cancel, that equals to 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is equals to root 4. Root 4 is equals to 2. So R is equals to 2. Now we can find theta value. Theta is equals to, formula is tan inverse y by x. So theta is equals to tan inverse y is root 3, x is 1. So that equals to tan inverse of root 3. So tan lo root 3 ekkada ostundi, 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees is equals to root 3. So 60 degrees we can write pi by 3. Pi by 3. Here. So we can find R value and theta value. So then substitute in this. 1 plus I into root 3 is equals to R is 2 of cos pi by 3 plus I into sin pi by 3. 1 plus I into root 3 whole cube is equals to 2 of cos pi by 3 plus I into sin pi by 3 whole cube. Here we can apply de moivre's theorem. So apply the power to 2. Apply de moivre's theorem. That equals to 2 cube cos 3 pi by 3 plus I into sin 3 pi by 3. So 3 get cancelled. 2 cube 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 of cos pi plus I into sin pi. సో ఇవన్నీ ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ అన్నీ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీలో వస్తాయి. కాస్ 180 degrees -1, sin 180 degrees 0. సో ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్లో మనం నేర్చుకుంటాము 8 into -1 plus I of 0 that equals to -8. This first problem is completed. See the next problem. Second problem, 1 minus I whole to the power 8. Same process. Solution, 1 minus I equals to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Now this is in the form x plus iy. Here x is equals to 1, y is equals to -1. R is equals to x square plus y square. That equals to 1 square plus -1 whole square. That equals to 1 plus 1 equals to root 2. So r is equals to root 2. Now we can find theta value. Theta is equals to tan inverse of y by x. Theta equals to tan inverse -1 by 1. That equals to tan inverse -1. That equals to minus tan inverse of 1. So tan లో 1 ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది? 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees 1. Tan 45 degrees is equals to 1. So now we can write 45 degrees is pi by 4. Theta is equals to here minus pi by 4. 1 minus I equals to r value is root 2 into cos of minus pi by 4 plus I into sin minus pi by 4. So now we can apply power. 1 minus I whole to the power 8 equals to root 2 of cos minus pi by 4 plus I into sin of minus pi by 4 whole power 8. Here cos minus theta, again cos theta, sin minus theta, minus theta, minus sin theta. So that equals to, so I am apply power to root 2. So root 2 we can write 2 power 1 by 2. సో రూట్ 2ని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు, 2 పవర్ 1/2గా రాసుకోవచ్చు. I'm apply power to root 2, that is 2 power 1/2 whole to the power 8. So cos of minus theta, again cos theta, that is cos pi by 4. So sin minus theta minus sin theta, that is minus I into sin pi by 4 whole to the power 8. Now we can apply de Moivre's theorem. Here 2 1s are 2 4s are. So that equals to 2 power 4. Sorry, here apply de Moivre's theorem. De Moivre's theorem. So here 2 power 4 into cos 8 pi by 4 minus I into sin 8 pi by 4. So 4 1s are 4 2s are, 4 1s are 4 2s are. That equals to 2 power 4 into cos 2 pi minus I into sin 2 pi. Here, so 2 pi is 360. 2 pi means 360 degrees. So cos 360 degrees. ఏ విధంగా రాసుకోవచ్చు cos 360 degreesని? cos 360 degrees, cos of 360 degrees plus 0. సో పాజిటివ్. ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్లో అన్నీ పాజిటివే ఉంటాయి కదా, మనం ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్లో నేర్చుకుంటాం ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీలో. ఇందులో అన్నీ పాజిటివే ఉంటాయి. ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ నెగిటివ్, ఇక్కడ నెగిటివ్ నెగిటివ్, పాజిటివ్ నెగిటివ్. సో 360 degrees ప్లస్ 0 ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది, ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్లో వస్తుంది. సో కాస్ 0 1, sin 360 degrees, sin 360 degrees, sin of 360 plus 0, sin 0 0. That equals to cos 2 pi అంటే 360 degrees. 360 degrees ఏ విధంగా రాసుకోవచ్చు, 360 ప్లస్ 0 రాసుకోవచ్చు. సో cos 360 degrees ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్లో ఉంటుంది, ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్లో పాజిటివే. సో అగైన్ cos 0 వస్తుంది, cos 0 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1. 2 power 4 into 1 minus I of 0, sin 2 pi 0 here. So 2 power 4 means 16. So 16 into 1, again 16. So this is a solution of second problem. See the third one. Third problem, 1 plus I whole to the power 16. Solution, 1 plus I equals to R of cos theta plus I sin theta. Same modulus amplitude formula. Find, this is in the form x plus iy. X is equals to 1, y is equals to 1. So R is equals to under root x square plus y square, that equals to 1 square plus 1 square is equals to 1 plus 1 2, root 2. So theta is equals to tan inverse y by x. Theta is equals to tan inverse 1 by 1, that equals to tan inverse of 1. So here tan 45 degrees is equals to 1. So we can write 45 degrees like pi by 4, pi by 4. So we can find R value and theta value, then substitute in this formula. So that is 1 plus I is equals to root 2 of cos pi by 4 plus I into sin pi by 4. 1 plus I whole to the power 16 is equals to root 2 cos pi by 4 plus I into sin pi by 4 whole power 16. So apply power to root 2, that equals to, so root 2 I am writing, square root I am writing 2 power 1 by 2 whole to the power 16 of cos pi by 4 plus I into sin pi by 4 whole to the power 16. Now we can apply de Moivre's theorem here. Apply de Moivre's theorem. So 2 1s are 2 8s are, that equals to 2 power 8 into, సో de Moivre's theorem అప్లై చేస్తే పవర్లో ఉన్నది ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో ఫార్ములా ఉంది కదా, cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power n equals to cos n theta plus I into sin n theta. This is de Moivre's theorem formula. So cos 16 pi by 4 plus I into sin 16 pi by 4. So 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 4 1s are 4 4s are 16. So that equals to 2 power 8 into cos 4 pi plus I into sin 4 pi, sorry here 4 pi, cos, therefore cos 4 pi, cos 4 pi ని ఏ విధంగా రాసుకోవచ్చు, cos 2 into 2 pi. సో 2 అనేది జస్ట్ మల్టిపుల్, సో cos 2 pi 1, cos 2 pi 1, sin 2 pi 0. So I am writing here cos 2 pi is equals to 1. ఇక్కడ ఉండే నెంబర్ మల్టిపుల్, దాన్ని కన్సిడర్ చేసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. cos 2 pi ఎంత 1. Again sin 4 pi we can write sin 2 into 2 pi. So 2 to 4 pi. Sin 2 pi is equals to what? 0. ఇందాక ప్రాబ్లంలో చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా, sin 2 pi is equals to 0. So 2 power 8 means 2 power 8 means 256. 256 into cos 4 pi is 1. 1 plus I into sin 4 pi is 0. So that equals to 256 into 1, 256. So this is the solution of third problem. See the next problem. Fourth problem, root 3 by 2 plus I by 2 whole to the power 5 minus root 3 by 2 minus I by 2 whole to the power 5. Solution. So we can change root 3 by 2 plus I by 2 into modulus amplitude form. So that is root 3 by 2 plus I into 1 by 2 whole to the equals to R into cos theta plus I into sin theta. This is modulus amplitude formula. This is in the form x plus iy. X plus iy here. X is equals to root 3 by 2. Y is equals to 1 by 2. R is equals to under root x square plus y square equals to under root of x square means root 3 by 2 whole square plus y square means 1 by 2 whole square r is equals to under root of here square root cancel. So 3. So 2 square 4 plus 2 square 4 1 by 4. R is equals to here LCM is 4 square root of here LCM is 4. So 3 plus 1 equals to square root of 3 plus 1 4. 4 by 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are. So root 1 1. R is equals to 1. Now we can find theta value. Theta is equals to tan inverse y by x. Theta is equals to tan inverse y is 1 by 2. X is root 3 by 2. Here, so denominator get cancel, 2 2 cancel. Theta is equals to tan inverse 1 by root 3. Since so tan లో 1 by root 3 ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది 30 degrees లో వస్తుంది. సో tan 30 degrees is equals to 1 by root 3. సో 30 degrees ని ఏ విధంగా రాసుకోవచ్చు pi by 6. Theta is equals to pi by 6. So we can find r value and theta value. Root 3 by 2 plus I by 2 equals to 1 into cos pi by 6 plus I into sin pi by 6. Same. Root 3 by 2 minus I by 2. ఇందులో ఓన్లీ సింబల్ చేంజ్ ఉందంతే. ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంది. సో హియర్ వీ కెన్ రైట్ సేమ్ root 3 by 2 minus I by 2 equals to 1 into cos pi by 6 minus I into sin pi by 6. We can change only symbol. Here root 3 by 2 plus I by 2 whole to the power 5 minus root 3 by 2 minus I by 2 whole to the power 5 equals to cos pi by 6 plus I into sin pi by 6 whole to the power 5 minus cos pi by 6 minus I into sin pi by 6 whole to the power 5. Now we can apply de Moivre's theorem. Apply de Moivre's theorem. That equals to cos 5 pi by 6 plus I sin 5 pi by 6 minus cos 5 pi by 6 minus I into sin 5 pi by 6. That equals to cos 5 pi by 6 plus I into sin 5 pi by 6 multiply with minus. This term multiply with minus. Minus into cos 5 by 6 minus cos 5 by 6. So minus minus plus I into sin 5 pi by 6. Here plus cos 5 pi by 6 minus cos 5 pi by 6 get cancel. So I into sin 5 by 6 plus I into sin 5 by 6 2 I into sin 5 by 6. That equals to 2 into I sin 5 pi by 6. So here sin 5 pi by 6 we can write like this 2 into I sin of pi minus pi by 6. Again we get, so ఇక్కడ చూడండి 5 pi by 6ని pi minus pi 5 pi by 6గా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా. సో ఎల్సిఎం చేయండి. ఎల్సిఎం ఈజ్ 6. సో 6 into pi 6 pi minus pi. Again we get 5 pi by 6. So 2i into sin of pi minus pi by 6. So pi means 180 minus theta. సో మనం ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీలో ఈ టేబుల్ నేర్చుకుంటాము. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్. సో ఇక్కడ 90 మైనస్ ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ 90 ప్లస్ టీటా ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ 180 మైనస్ టీటా ఉంటుంది, 180 ప్లస్ టీటా, 270 మైనస్ టీటా, 270 ప్లస్ టీటా, 360 మైనస్ టీటా, 360 ప్లస్ టీటా, 90 మైనస్ టీటా. సో సైన్ టీటా ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్లో ఉంటుంది. సైన్ ఆఫ్ 180 minus theta. Again sin theta. So here sin of pi is 180. Theta is pi by 6. Pi by 6 means 30 degrees. So sin of 180 minus theta, sin theta. So here theta is 30 degrees. So sin 30 degrees 1/2. ఇది ఎలా ఉంది? సైన్ ఆఫ్ 180 మైనస్ టీటా. సో సైన్ ఆఫ్ 180 మైనస్ టీటా సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్లో ఉంటుంది. సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్లో సైన్ ఈజ్ పాజిటివ్. సో అగైన్ సైన్ టీటా. సో సైన్ ఆఫ్ 180 మైనస్ పై బై 6 అంటే 30 డిగ్రీస్. సో సైన్ ఆఫ్ 180 మైనస్ టీటా అంటే సైన్ టీటా కదా. సో టీటా ఏంటి? 30 డిగ్రీస్. సో సైన్ 30 డిగ్రీస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1/2. దట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 2 into I of 1/2. So here 2 ones are 2 get cancelled. I. This is the solution of fourth one. So if you have any doubt, please comment, like, share, subscribe for more videos.